everyone, welcome back. Can you see what is just behind me? It is the Statue of Liberty, and still I am in Paris, not in New York. Today I will tell all about Statue of Liberty. First have a look of this beautiful statue. The Statue of Liberty is an icon of Lady Liberty. It is a symbol of freedom, inspiration and hope. You must be wondering that why I am saying this since I am in Paris. But it is a fact that Paris also has some statues of Lady Liberty. The Statue of Liberty, placed in New York, was originally gifted by France to the United States. The idea for the statue was born in 1865 when the French historian and one of the great politicians of that time, Edward de la Boulaye, proposed a monument to honor the US independence in 1876 as a mark of the American democracy and their liberation. So he contacted sculptor Frederic Auguste Bartholdi, and later Bartholdi came up of a robed woman holding a torch. Later, the famous engineer Alexander Gustave Eiffel joined in the project. He was the architect of the amazing Eiffel Tower and renowned as the Magician of Iron. The complete Statue of Liberty stood just over 151 feet high and weighed 225 tons. The transportation was also very difficult at that time. This statue was dismantled in 355 pieces and transported by the sea in huge containers. In New York, it was reconstructed initially at Bedeloy Island with great difficulty. Now, the Bedeloy Island is known as the Liberty Island. Now coming to Paris, here we can see the Lady Liberty, which was again gifted by the US to France. However, it is a replica of the original Statue of Liberty and heights 37 feet. We can also see the Lady Liberty at other places of Paris. It is called the Flame of Liberty. It is a tribute to the late Princess Diana, who died under the tunnel by an accident. Lady Liberty has strengthened the bond between France and United States. Hope you like this video. Please do like, share and subscribe for more videos.